Hello guys, today is not a normal Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, we went to the track and we used these babies, six of our 6 super and hypercar cars. And every time that we take it back on the track, we have to massage a little bit. So right now, yesterday we put it over here and still is a lot of dirt. You can see, the dust of the brakes. Again, I push these cars, not in the limit, but near. And remember, most of these cars are made for track purpose, and we use it over there. Remember that we leave the passion, we push it, but we take care. Now in this car we have to change also the wheels because we use normal wheels, not the carbon fiber, because remember that we take care of it, and just to be sure for stones, not to chip it. And yeah, you can see again the dust. I love all the dust. The same with this baby, all this baby. Yesterday I took several laps. I love it. This car is the best for the racetrack. And yesterday we took for the first time the Aston Martin. This baby is the last V12 Vantage, and it's a beast. It's more, yes, I know that is a street for driving in the street, but really behave really well on the racetrack. Have a lot of power, the turbo. The only thing that I would like a little bit more is more noise, because it have 2 just exit exhaust, and the DBS, for example, have 4. And also the steering wheel is a little bit light. I would have it more heavy, más pesado. Pero bueno, it's okay. It's a beautiful car to enjoy, and all the aerodynamic. And this, what I can tell you guys, this is a freaking beast also, like the Pagani. We push really hard. After 7, 8 laps, a little bit, the brakes went off, but I really pushed this car yesterday. And also, we changed the tire, we took off the carbon fiber ones just to protect it. And now Hugo is preparing everything to wash a little bit. And all these cars, again, Sergio is going to do all the check things, also checking the floor, the suspension, the brakes, even the engines. In the new ones, like the Aventador, that was the first time that we took it to the track, like the Aston Martin, we are going to change the oil just to refresh a little bit and put a little bit more fluids, better fluids to the engine, so we can even breathe even better. You can see mosquito over here. Wow, this is really, really, even the smell of the dust. And in Quadralupo, we use it. It's not just collection and blah, 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 blah. But when we storage over here, we put the cushion, alter ego. I have been testing these babies for 9 years and really works. So like these cars, that I don't move too often, I put this and it's brand new when I move it again. You can see over here the porch. This is one of my favorite to drive. You can push 20, 30 laps, 1 hour, and still you have brakes. And we tried the new Michelin R, and a beautiful tire. Really hardcore for the track, and doesn't wear off too quickly. So again, you can push really hard, and the tire pressure doesn't go too quickly too up. Remember, in Quadralupo, not just we live and we feel the passion, we drive it. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next one.